Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Cable and Wireless Jamaica is now a takeover target for Barbados-based CWC Cala. The company is offering to purchase Cable and Wireless shares for $1.45 each. The shares closed today's trading, selling for $1.20. The offer opened today and will close at the end of January. CWC Cala says together with its affiliate company, Kelfenora Limited, it owns 82% of Cable and Wireless Jamaica. It says if it is successful in its offer to take control of Cable and Wireless Jamaica, it will delist the company from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. CWC Cala's offer comes in the midst of plans by Cable and Wireless parent company Liberty Global to split off its Jamaica and other Caribbean operations into separate public company called Liberty Latin America. That plan is expected to be executed next year. Victoria Investments today listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange after it attracted more than 4,000 shareholders in its recent initial public offering. The listing comes with the company promising to target small and medium-sized enterprises for its future growth. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Coming to market. VM Investments, after recently raising $700 million in an initial public offering, listing its shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange on Friday.
We consider this day very special.
Special because it is happening on the last business day of the year.
This is a day when it's the latest we have had a listing in the history of the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
It's the 12th listing for 2017, the second in 2 days, and the fourth for the month of December.
The market conditions were really good. And I say this to say that we take it now for granted, never, that we have 4 listings in 1 month. There were times when we never had 4 for a year.
He said more confidence in the economy is behind the interest shown not only in VM Investments, but also other stocks to list this year, all of which were oversubscribed multiple times. The reason? The government is not borrowing as heavily as it once did with the austerity measures and the IMF programs in the last 5 years.
If you recall, what was said during those times is that the government need to get out of the space so that the marketplace can do its thing. And that is exactly what we're seeing now. The marketplace is actually using the monies that are in the marketplace.
He said VM Investments has also changed the course once the entity relied on high interest rates, particularly from the government, for 70% of its earnings. Now only 30% comes from that source, and further diversification is being planned. Monies raised in the IPO will be part of a pool of $1 billion. VM Investments will invest in the productive sector in 2018.
And when we say we invest in the productive sector, we're not just going to go and give you a loan. We're making equity investment in the public sector, in the sector. So small and medium-sized enterprises will definitely benefit from what we're offering now.
It's a plan to which a toast has been raised. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for an even $125. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $97.39. The pound sterling costs $167.02, while the euro is selling for $147.52. The JSE index closed 3,927 points higher today on the back of strong gains in Wisynco Group shares, which helped the market record a 50% gain for 2017. The junior market index, however, lost 13 points. Stocks posting gains today included Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Jetcon, NCB Financial Group, Scotia Group, VM Investments, and Wisynco. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Express Catering, JMMB Group, Paramount Trading, and Salada Foods. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.
The Financial Week.